Now student, we will study problem number 6 in question number 6. Problem number 6, sine inverse of square root 1 plus x square upon 2. This is the problem number 6 in question number 6. First, to find derivative of this function, we know the formula derivative of sine inverse x. First we consider let y is equal to sine inverse of square root 1 plus x square upon 2. This is equation first. Now differentiate equation first with respect to x. Now derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of sine inverse root 1 plus x square upon 2. Now we know that derivative of sine inverse x d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. But in this problem, in the place of x, we have root 1 plus x square by 2. So we can write formula, composite function formula d by dx sine inverse f of x, and formula is 1 upon square root 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. By using this formula, we can solve derivative of this function. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 as it is 1 upon square root of 1 minus in bracket root 1 plus x square upon 2 whole square into derivative of root 1 plus x square upon 2. Now in the next step we can write 1 upon square root of 1 minus in bracket 1 plus x square upon 2, square and square root get cancelled, into derivative of root f of x 1 divided by 2 root 1 plus x square upon 2 into derivative of 1 plus x square upon 2. Now in the next step we can write 1 divided by square root of cross multiply 2 minus 1 minus x square divided by 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 root 1 plus x square upon root 2. इथे आपण डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये जे 2 आहे त्यांना सेपरेट √2 लिहिलेला आहे मल्टीप्लाय बाय डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 इज 0 प्लस डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x square is 2x upon 2. Now these two get cancel. In the next step we can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square upon √2 multiply by 1 into x upon 2 root 1 plus x square upon √2. Now this √2 multiplied by √2 means 2 x upon root 1 minus x square multiplied by root 1 plus x square, and these 2 becomes here divided by √2 multiplied by √2 2. These 2 get cancelled. Now we use formula dy by dx is equal to here x upon root a minus b into root a plus b. Here we use formula a minus b into a plus b in the denominator, that is a square minus b square. So we can write in the root a means 1 square is 1 minus x square whole square. Final answer dy by dx is equal to x divided by square root of 1 minus x raised to 4. This is the final answer. Question number 6, problem number 6. Now we can solve problem number 7. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square. तर या प्रॉब्लेमला सोडवण्यासाठी पण ज्या स्टेप आपण या प्रॉब्लेमला सोडवण्यासाठी वापरलेल्या आहेत त्याच स्टेपचा वापर करणार आहोत. Let y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square. Equation number first. Now differentiate equation first. With respect to x, now derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of cos inverse of 1 minus x square. Now here we use formula derivative of cos inverse f of x. dy dx cos inverse f of x is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. And in this problem, f of x is 1 minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus in bracket 1 minus x square whole square into derivative of 1 minus x square. Now here f of x is 1 minus x square. Now we can simplify this bracket minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 2x square plus x raised to 4. Here we use formula a minus b whole square multiply by derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. Now in the next step we can write dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus 1 plus 2x square minus x raised to 4 into minus 2x. Now this minus 2x multiplied by minus 1 means 2x upon square root of this plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, and we can take x square common from these two terms. X square into in bracket 2 minus x square. Now we can write 2x divided by x into square root of 2 minus x square. Now this x get cancelled. We get dy by dx is equal to x upon square root of 2 minus x square, and this is the final answer. Now here we can write outside the square root, square of this square and square root get cancelled, we get x outside the square root. Now this is the problem number 7 in question 6, exercise 1.1. Now problem number 8. Sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. Sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. In the same way, we can solve this problem. Now here we can change given function. In this 8th problem, given function is sine inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Now differentiate equation first with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. Now we use formula d by dx of sine inverse f of x. Derivative of sine inverse f of x is equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. So we can write here f of x raised to 3 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2 whole square into derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. Now in the next step we can write 1 upon square root of 1 minus x cube. These 2 get cancelled, multiply by 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by using x raised to n formula. Now in the next step we can write 3x raised to 1 by 2 divided by 2 root 1 minus x cube. Now here 3 root x upon 2 root 1 minus x cube. This is dy by dx. Final answer. Problem number 8. Question number 6, exercise 1.2.